Hey everybody, Donald with Top of Automotive, and this video is replacing the bulbs on my 1996 Chevy Blazer, the taillights. Stay tuned. Alrighty everybody, before we get into replacing, it's basically the backup taillight on my Blazer. Update on my giveaway for my 500 subs. I'm going to give it till the end of January this month, this year, to get to that 500 subscriber. I'm 49 away. If I don't make that mark, I'm going to go ahead and pull the video and give the money to one of my favorite charities, which is animal shelters, taking care of the animals, yeah, go from there. You know, at this point, when I get there, I get there. I tried to give it a good push, but end of January 2020, it will be, we'll see if we get there. If not, we don't get there. We'll push on and go forward. But let's get on with this video. Replacing the reverse light bulb in my Blazer. You're going to need a couple new bulbs. I'm going to do both. If you're going to do one, you might as well do the other. Makes sense. It's not too bad. Part number 3057 on these. These are a little tricky. You got to make sure, because same year Blazer may take a different one. But this is what it calls for. So the 3057 in my particular one. Always double check when you get a new one. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, electric, cordless, manual, using my Craftsman for that. And on this one, on mine, I'm going to need a couple 10mm wrenches to remove the strut off the tailgate, so I can get to a Phillips screw that's holding one of the the lens in. Alrighty, let's move outside. Hopefully the lighting's okay. It is what it is, so stay tuned. Alrighty, we made it to the outside. I got the tailgate dropped. This is the strut we got to remove to get to a Phillips screw that's right here. It's right here, and we got to remove. Got a 10mm bolt, so got my wrenches here. I want to throw it on lockdown. And just good old Craftsman. Gotta love it. Loosen it the rest of the way with your fingers. Put that way where it's not going to get lost. Tuck that into there. Now we can get our Phillips screwdriver. Get this bottom one. Sorry if blocking the view here, but it's kind of awkward filming as always. You know, life of a YouTuber. But get that one off there. Yeah, this reverse light has been out since I've had the vehicle. I just never really paid it any mind. thought I'd just do a quick video here. Hopefully a quick video. And then this is the top Phillips screw you got to get off that holds the lens. So hopefully it's not a broke wire or anything like that, but we're going to see. Do a little investigation. So once you get those 3 things done there, this should slide up out of here. And if I recall, there's a little guided bolt. Gonna give it a wiggle. Get it out of there. Yep. There's a stud. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a little stud, and then there's a little hole right here that it goes into. It kind of gives it a guide. Be careful with stuff. This is a 1996. It's old. It should have one little clip here that you push in, and then you give it a slight turn and a twist, and yeah. Yeah, this one doesn't, that's probably why it's never worked. It doesn't have a bulb in it. So, no big deal. Grab your new replacement bulb. So, get it out of the package here. It's not too bad. Like I said, check out hashtag Top Wolf Automotive 500 subscriber giveaway. End of January, we'll see where we're at. If I'm not there, I'm not there. I'm not gonna stress over it. Eventually get there. Man, these are. Come on now. Just want to be careful. You don't want to break your new bulb. So 3057. Just kind of get her in here. I don't know if these have got a. Yep. They're only going one way. Give it a good snap. And before I what I do is I'll usually test it, but I got 2 cats on the hood of the truck, so I'm just going to put it back together. Like I said, it won't take me but a minute to get it apart if it doesn't work. And there's that little tab that you push in and then give it a twist out. So then we'll line it back up, give her a twist and a click, and then just put it back together. Once again, that stud and that little hole back there, kind of give them a line up. Grab your Phillips screw, put it back together. Not too tight, just make sure it's nice and snug. And grab the other screw for the top one. Once again, nice and snug, not going anywhere. So that's that. I'm going to do the other side, and we'll get back with you guys shortly. Stay tuned. Alrighty, before you forget, like I almost did, secure your strut back on the tailgate. You just give her a tighten down with your fingers there. Grab your wrenches. And just snug it down real good. Don't forget that. Alrighty, I'm going to do the other side, and let me see if the cat's let me test it. So, alrighty, stay tuned. Alrighty, everybody. Hope that's helpful to at least one person, if not many future people out there needing to do that. So, as always, I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions. Always, stay safe out there, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.